Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lillian and this is Farm with Bisase. So as you can see from the title of the video, I am super excited to be joining Yali Africa Cohort 1. So in case you're wondering what Yali is the Young African Leadership Initiative. This is funded by the US Department of State and was founded in 2010 by the former President Barack Obama. The idea behind it was to train, to mentor, to network with young African youths. So basically, when you are selected for Yali, you get to be trained on being a transformative leader. As a leader in your space, it could be agriculture, it could be business, it could be that you're an entrepreneur. In all aspects of whatever you do, you need to be transformative. It's not always about you. So basically, I'm super excited. And I think it came at the right time when I have started doing what I love through the videos that I make. I guess I will be able to learn one or two at a larger scale, and thinking probably outside the box, not thinking only about Kenya, but Africa at large. So Yali has 3 models. By models, I mean how you can join the Yali space. So there's Yali Network, there's Yali Leadership Centers. This is what I'm joining. Then there is Yali Mandela Washington Fellowship. So for Yali networks, it's basically like the online platforms. They do have videos, they do have courses. They do both podcasts. Then the online platform, the social media, Twitter, Facebook, and all that, where you can be able to join them and learn. Then we have now the Yali Mandela Washington Fellowship. This is majorly taking like young professions in areas that you are doing. So you go to the US and then you meet world leaders who are able to train you for a 6 weeks period. Actually, their applications are open. Maybe you can give them a try. And now the Yali leadership centers. This is what I'm joining. Ideally, if there wasn't COVID, for example, I would join the regional leadership of East Africa, which is based in Kenyatta University. So basically here, leaders from the 14 countries, that is Kenya, Rwanda, Burundi, Ethiopia, Eritrea, South Sudan, Ethiopia, did I say that? Yes, that is where the selected candidates would go. Then you have the 6 weeks training. Then there is also one center in Ghana. There's another one in Senegal. Then there's another one in South Africa. So because of COVID, now we are having all these centers. We're having one cohort that will be online. And then that is where we'll get trained. I am super excited. Hopefully it will be very well. So when the applications for Yali open, there are 3 tracks that you can apply into. The first track is business and entrepreneurship. That is what I'm actually, what I applied for. Then there's the civic leadership. Then there's the public management. So initially, as I told you, you would go to the centers where you're trained. And in these centers, you are to be there for 4 weeks. So basically, during these 4 weeks, you're doing team leadership skills, there's innovation, and then there's creative learning and communication. But for now, for our online cohort, I think maybe the structure has changed. I'm yet to learn about it. So we're starting our classes today. So, and they will run for 6 weeks. So what does it take for you to apply for Yali? So for you to apply to Yali, you have to be a youth. So basically, you're not above 35 years old. Then you have to be a citizen of the Sub-Saharan, and you stay here. You're not probably Kenyan, and you're in the US or any other place. So when you apply, there are a lot of things that are taken into consideration during the application process. So they look at your leadership, your engagement in the public or community spaces, your cooperation, I guess your engagement. Then all they need is people who are energetic and have the positive attitude. So you can apply. I believe you're gonna meet other people who are bright minds, people who have done it and are doing great in their spaces. So basically that's it. For my cohort, it's going to run from 23rd, which is today, to October 23rd. So that is basically 2 months. I hope it will be great. Obviously, I'll be able to share the lessons here, what I learn, and I am positive that it will have an impact, especially on this channel, Farm with Bisase, in terms of how we are going to do our things and yeah, in terms of scaling up our game. So I'll attach all the links on the Yali. You can always have a look at it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you have not subscribed, probably there's something that you have learned from the video. You can always subscribe, and I always encourage you to turn on the notification button so that you do not miss out in any update that I make. I'll be glad to share more, and I have a lot in store for you. You do not want to imagine, and I wish you a lovely day. Let's make Africa great again. Bye. Bye.